Hello everyone and welcome to this channel called Diecast Maestro, your single point stop to learn everything about the diecast world. This is first in a series of aviation models that we will be unboxing today. This is a 1 to 200, and what a way to start this aviation series by unboxing the Air India one. As I've been told, this is probably from the first lot of models manufactured and imported into India, so I might as well be looking at one of those first models ever in my hands. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get updates every time I post. A little bit about this model. This is made by Hogan Wings, as you can see up here. This is item number 11588. This is a plastic snap fit model. It feels slightly heavy as if it is a metal model, and it has got printed details on it, so I'll review it as we go through. Let's start unboxing it. I'll show you the box from all the angles. That is how it arrived. Let's start unboxing this. This aircraft is built on the platform of a 777, Boeing 777-300ER. The 777 is a wide-body jet liner. It is the world's largest twin-jet liner, and this is where the major shift from quad jets to twin jets started. This is something in between the Boeing 767 and the 747. The maximum takeoff weight for this aircraft is 351 tons. So if you consider an average 75 kilo human being, then it's about 4,680 people. It carries about 365 people. So you can imagine rest of the 4,300 people is dead weight and cargo. It cruises at about 900 kilometers an hour or 0.89 Mach at a service ceiling of 43,100 feet. The first flight of 777 took place on June the 12th in 1994 with United Airlines, and later on Emirates, Air France, Cathay Pacific became one of the major consumers. Air India itself operates about 16 777s in a combination of 777-200 and 200 LRs and 300 ERs. Till date, 1,659 of 777s have been built in the last 27 years. That is about 5 per month. And Boeing has an order of 2,031 orders. Right, now let's get back to the model. Air India 1 is the aircraft which is a dedicated VVIP aircraft. Up until now, the VVIP fleet consisted of 3 737 BBJs, Mi-8 6 helicopters, 6 in numbers, Embraer 135 4 number of jets, and another 4 number of Embraer 145 jets. This 777 is a dedicated VVIP aircraft. Up until now, the Indian Air Force was not operating these aircrafts, but here you can see logo of the Indian Air Force. Whenever a VVIP aircraft was needed, then Air India would be used to operate that. Now that is changing. Now the Indian Air Force pilots will pilot this aircraft. So a lot of history and trivia. Let me just get back to assembling the model. This might need some tools here. Okay. Okay, so we have this beautifully done model. As I said, it's quite chunky in its weight. It's got a little hump over here, which is probably for satellite communications. It's got a very beautiful in line with typical Indian Air Force livery. The existing livery was white with blue, and this has the Indian tricolor saffron and green over its length in very large fonts. In Hindi it says Bharat, India, and this is the state emblem of the country. This is logo of the Indian Air Force here. everything in the box is now laid out. Let's see how this build goes. I need a little screwdriver to press it in. Now the gear doors are in and the actual gear goes in now, and we have the tires fitting in. So we have the landing gear installed, we have the wing gear, nose gear and another wing gear. Okay, now let's just flip it over. It's a very beautiful model with very understated colors, and that's how the state heads of India would like to travel. Okay, and now we have the tail coming in. Okay, and it is locked into place. So ladies and gentlemen, this beautiful model is ready. This is Hogan Wings Air India 1. If you look at this model here closely, you'll see the windows have pattern of something called the jharoka. This is a quintessential Indian architectural element, and you'll find this on a lot of palaces. So taking design cues from Maharaja's Air India, we still have those windows here. It has got lovely Indian Air Force markings on both the wings, and these are GE Turbofan engines which will generate enough thrust to keep this airborne for about 17 hours. We've got the Indian tricolor on the tail as well, and the APU exhaust of the 777 which comes off on one side.